Hello, my name is Aaron Larkin, and this is going to be a small slideshow presentation of our game library application in Android Studio. Alright, in my own words, why did we take on this project? I took on this project because I like to challenge myself, and I knew this would be a challenging semester and year, and I knew I'd learn a lot from it, so that's why I decided to take this on, and I say I truly did learn a lot from it. This project will be a big resume booster for me in the future, and that is another big reason I took this on. The final goal was to build a game library application that I can use to bolster my resume and show what I've learned this semester. What did I learn from this project? I learned how to work with Android Studio and make Android applications. I learned how to test and run the application using various testing processes through Android Studio and Java. And I would say I also learned how to work with other APIs like an eBay API to really bolster my project. And I also learned how to use Firebase as a great NoSQL database. What would I do differently next time? I would have changed a lot of things, but learning through the process is expected. I get frustrated with coding, so I would like to say next time I would be more patient and try and look at things more objectively. Lastly, I would say I need to learn to enjoy it. I tend to take things too seriously and think about the possibilities if I can't figure something out, rather than just thinking that I will find a solution in the end. Steam is a perfect representation of how our game library works. As you can see, it has a list of games that you can add to your favorites or like your library or wish list, and then you can save them for later. You can also filter through search results, and you can obviously find other users on Steam and add them that way. Epic Games is another great example. It's pretty similar to Steam. You can just see many different games. You can find it through the store, library. You can add users just as Steam does. Here's a picture of the game library on the right, and some of the key features is you're able to search for this game on eBay. You can add these games to your library or wish list so you can view them later. You can share the game using various platforms like Discord. You can compose reviews and see other people's reviews on the games to see if it's a good or bad game. And then you can also filter these games down by consoles and stuff like that to really give you a better viewing pleasure. And this has been the presentation of my game library. Thank you. Hello, my name is Aaron Larkin, and this is going to be the presentation of our game library application, which we worked on for the spring semester of 2022. Alright, jumping into the application, you can see we're able to view a list of games here, and you're also able to filter this list of games by console. So like if you click PC, it'll filter down to whatever PC games we have. Then you're also able to filter down by wish list, so anything that you've added to the wish list you can see in here, or if you add it to the library, it'll get added to the library and taken from this list, and then you can see in the library. You're also able to filter down by both, so you can see your PC games and your library. And then, as you can see when I was accidentally sliding over, you can see we have a list of users over here, so you can see all the users. And if we flip this over, you can see it as a different landscape orientation for this viewing pleasure. So you're able to click a game, and in this game you can see all the details here. You can scroll down, you can see reviews, you can create views. You're not able to delete someone else's reviews, but you are able to delete your reviews. You can click this game and find it on eBay. So you can see we have our whole list of eBay games here. You're able to filter down to like just console preferences. And if you go back, you're back here where you just left off. Like I said, you can also compose a review. So you could say it's like a good game. Publish it, and boom, it's right there. You can see it. Alright, you can also share. You can share this game on many different applications. You can find Discord on here, and you can let people know how cool the game is that you're viewing. You can also click users, like I said, and you can click on a user, and it shows that user's wish list and that user's library. You're able to also view your own profile, so this will show you a whole list of your library and your wish list. You're able to take pictures on the phone, and then that'll actually update your profile photo. You can also select them from your library, your gallery here, and if you add anything in here, you'd actually be able to see that. So then you can go back, and that has been the application for the game library of 2022. Thank you.